Hooded eyes, 95% of us have them regardless of our age, and those who don't have them yet eventually will get them within aging. Hooded eyes come in different sizes and shapes. This feature is not a flaw, but it makes the even eyeliner application a bit tricky for us. I am Haja and I want to teach you everything about winged eyeliners and hooded eyes. In this lesson, I have my beautiful mother-in-law as our model. Analyzing her eye shape, she has almond upturned eyes that look lifted already. However, when she applies eyeliner, it looks crooked. Our conclusion is her hooded eyes feature comes from aging. Now, we want to find out how we can determine whether you have hooded eyes as well. The easiest way to find out is applying a medium thick-sized winged eyeliner on closed eyes. The eyeliner really looks fine on her closed eyes. Now, once she opens her eyes, the end looks crooked and not as even as on closed eyes. What is the cause? The cause is simply the hood, or also known as the hanging skin sitting on top of your lid or even under your brow bone like on my mother-in-law. Now, when this hanging skin interferes with the wing of the eyeliner, the wing looks crooked and not even. Here's another example when applying a thick bold eyeliner. The thicker you apply the winged eyeliner like we're doing, the more obvious the crook will look on the outer part of the eye. Some people do not have a lot of lid space on the eyes. My model does have enough space for a thick eyeliner, as you can observe, because her hanging skin lies under her brow bone on the outer part of the eye instead of on top of the lid. She could, for example, wear a basic eyeliner without a wing perfectly because of her wide lid space. However, with the hanging skin on the outer part of her eye, a winged eyeliner will not look appealing. So, how do we apply an even winged eyeliner on hooded/mature eyes without it to look crooked? Coming next. First important rule is to prepare your eyelid perfectly for a long-lasting, non-smudging eyeliner application. So we first apply an eye primer by the brand Urban Decay called Primer Potion. We apply a thin layer with our fingers on top of the whole lid. Make sure to dab the product evenly and go into tight nooks like the inner eye corner as well. Then we want to create a blank canvas on the lid and neutralize any discolorations. If you have very dark eye circles on the lid as well, make sure to use a color correcting concealer first. For light to medium skin, pink to peachy shades. For dark to deep dark skin shades, orange to red will neutralize the skin perfectly. On top, apply a concealer of your choice. We're using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. This concealer is my favorite for every skin type and everyday use. I apply a proper amount on the lid with the fingers and spread it. Note to stretch the skin when applying concealer and eyeshadows on mature skin or in general hooded eyes. With a concealer brush, I blend the product into the skin evenly, again while stretching the skin to the side with my other hand. A very important step is to set the concealer on the lid immediately, since creamy products crease into the eyelid folds very quickly. My favorite translucent setting powder of all time is the one by Laura Mercier. It is lightweight and does the job of setting and mattifying perfectly. Apply a thin layer and dust off any excess with a small powder brush. Finally, we start with the eyeliner application. We start with the wing of the eyeliner. Important here to prevent the crooked wing is to keep your eyes open and look relaxed. When you apply eyeliner on others, then do not stretch their skin while applying. Apply a small wing by first extending the upper lash line. Keep your strokes thin and small. Here is a fact for those of you who prefer a mini winged eyeliner. When we stay under the crease fold with the wing will not turn crooked. But once we cross the crease fold, the wing will interfere with the hood or hanging skin. We extended our wing further. The wing looks not crooked on her open eyes. Once we tell her to close her eyes, we notice that there is a gap. You can close this gap by filling it with thin strokes on closed eyes. Now we line the rest of the upper lash line, applying thin strokes. Once our model opens her eyes again, we notice a little unevenness on the wing, hence we go on top of it and apply a few strokes until it looks a bit more even. Note that because of the skin fold, it is not possible to create a complete straight line, but with this technique, the winged eyeliner will at least not look crooked. We finish off the eyeliner by lining the rest of the eyeliner on the upper lash line up until the inner corner of the eye. Once our model opens her eyes, the eyeliner looks fine. Only one part of the line on the upper lash line looks a little thicker than the rest of the line. But here you should not panic and get frustrated. Patience is the key. So take a precise tool like this micro brush tool, which I recommend if you want to correct small eyeliner mistakes. I remove one stroke from the top of the eyeliner with makeup remover on. Then with the same micro brush, I apply a thin layer of concealer on top of the part I removed eyeliner from to even out the application further. This is it basically for the eyeliner application, but we're still not done yet. Now we apply eyeliner on the other eye off camera. To further make the wing look sharp and clean, apply a small amount of concealer with a detailing brush under the wing and blend it. The right eye, we did not demonstrate the eyeliner application, is not as hooded as the left eye, hence the wing looks more straight on that side. In general, our eyes are symmetrically not even, hence it is normal that eyeliner turns out a little differently from each other. Now we line the waterline of the upper lash line with a creamy kohl liner by L'Oreal. This will make the upper lash line thicker and will blend the eyeliner into the upper lash line. Then we work on the lashes by applying one coat of mascara on each eye. Meanwhile, we have our false lashes ready with adhesive on. We use a pair of Ardell false lashes in the Design Naked 424. These lashes have a thin, almost invisible lash band and very thin and curled lash hairs, which make them feel lightweight on the eyes and very natural looking. Note that on hooded eyes, dense, voluminous false lashes will not look appealing, hence always go for a more natural looking pair of falsies. We place the falsies on top of the real lashes on the lid. Do not stick the lashes on top of the eyeliner or else your eyeliner looks uneven on the lid. What might happen here is you will apply eyeliner on top to even it out, but then the eyeliner looks bold and does not match with the wing. So place the falsies close to your lash line as possible. False lashes are not to be underestimated when it comes to hooded eyes because they will camouflage hooded eyes and make the eyes more bright and open even without any eyeliner on. Now when you have eyeliner on and your eyeliner looks not symmetrically even, then with false lashes you will be able to even them out, so the small difference between eyeliner is not noticeable anymore. In the final step, we use the lash curler to press both natural and false lashes together for a better blend and hold. Do not press for too long, 3 seconds each eye is enough, and then release. This is our final results. I hope this video was informative enough for you. Your task is to practice this on yourself or even others until you get the hang out of it. Practice the eyeliner application on bare eyes without makeup on so you can remove easily and reapply again. Always remember, patience, practice, and consistency are the keys to success. Thank you for tuning in. Do not forget to leave me and my pretty mother-in-law a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content every week. See you next week.